you're a diver and you think less is more, that's why you chose to be a free diver and do everything on breath hold and you take photos and videos, then the purpose of this video is two things for you. First, it's the opportunity to ask a specific question about how to shoot photos and videos while free diving. And
you can win fantastic prizes.
Give us a few seconds to explain how it works. In collaboration with the Boat Show, the world's largest water sports event, from January 18th to 26th in Düsseldorf, Germany, we run a dedicated live stage about underwater filmmaking and photography. Every day, we host inspiring guests to share their knowledge and to answer your questions. During the 9 days of the show, we will cover 7 different and unique underwater topics in regard of photography and filmmaking. Beginner, wide angle, macro, free diving, compact cameras, cold water, and drones. And because this video is about filmmaking and photography while free diving, you can ask all the respective questions down there in the comments, and you will automatically have a chance to win amazing prizes that Vanessa will show you in a second. So when we select your question, we're gonna actually answer this question live on stage. So you can either come to the boat show in person, which would be great, because then we can meet and chat. But if you can't do so, because it's too far away, you don't have time, you can still follow everything we do there live on social media. Make sure to post your questions in the comments, and also make sure that you enable all the notifications and subscribe, and also follow us on social media. Amongst all the comments, we randomly choose the winner for the following prizes.
And the first prize is a deep joy. You will be able to experience the deepest pool of the planet, the Y40 in Italy. This warm thermal pool is around 32 to 34 degrees Celsius and is 40 meters deep. And the Y40 has even made it into the Guinness Book of Records. And this pool has been a set for many documentaries, TV shows, series, short films, short documentaries, TV commercials, and even music videos. And it even serves the purpose of scientific and medical research, especially for the diving industry. And it's also a training site for the world's best freedivers and even some special forces. So you can dive or you can freedive there, and it has up to 9 different platforms at 9 different depths. And the really cool thing about it, it has a 60-meter cave system. And it's for every level of divers, from beginners to professionals. And the Y40 is based in Italy in a thermal park, so you have all sorts of hotels and spas right to your doorstep. And the other great thing is Venice is just around the corner, and I would really recommend you to visit Venice. And by the way, the reason why the Y40 water is 32 to 34 degrees Celsius is not because of heating systems. And the reason for this is the rainwater from the mountains re-emerge because of the volcanic origin at 90 degrees Celsius. And then it's cooled down to the nice, warm, comfy 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. So enough of all the explanations. What are you gonna actually win? Y40 is giving away a voucher for 4 nights. And you will have bed and breakfast included, and you will also have 8 dive sessions in the world's deepest pool. And by the way, it's not only 40 meters deep, it's actually 42.15 meters deep. Sounds like a really fun experience. So comment below any questions you have concerning freediving, videography, and photography. Now let's come to prize number 2. The second prize is a Naomi Gitto's package. A what now? And this is a very special prize for all of the art lovers among us. Just saying. So if you are an ocean lover and an art lover, and you do not know who Naomi Gitto's is, well, you should do your homework. Naomi Gitto's is an established visual and performance artist who supports the importance of conservation movements and activist groups who are working for a more sustainable world. And Naomi's collaboration with Dive Art Australia has brought her art to the heart of the freediving culture. And now her work has a cult following worldwide. And she is so well known for creating beautiful art portraying the underwater world in an abundance of colors. So to put it in her own words, she aims to open a whole kaleidoscope of colors for those who wish to engage, visually and imaginatively. She aims to pull you into a new adventure, and she definitely does that. So go and check out her amazing artwork at naomigittos.com, the link is below, and I assure you, you're gonna be blown away by her fantastic work. And as mentioned, she collaborates with Dive R Australia, and with them, she creates beautiful freediving fins with her artwork on them. So her giveaway for the second prize is, well, actually it's 2 prizes for the second prize. And number 1 is a large canvas art print. And number 2 is a set of the Naomi Gittos freediving fins in collaboration with Dive R Australia. So essentially it's a piece of art for your home or for your office and a piece of art for underwater. What a great giveaway. And if you win the prize, feel free to send us the picture of the art print in your office or in your home, and of course a picture of the freediving fins underwater in the underwater environment. And by the way, if you are a videographer or photographer, it might even be a good idea to give these fins to your dive buddy or to your model. I know it's a shame because they're really nice and you would like to wear them, but as you know, as a videographer and photographer, you're never on the photos or videos because you're behind the camera and not in front of the camera. So it would make sense to give them to someone you like that is in front of the camera so you can actually capture these unique looking fins. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment your freediving, videography and photography questions in the comment section below to actually take part in winning these 2 amazing prizes. So a huge shout out to Y40 for giving away the voucher for diving in the deepest pool of the world, and to Naomi Gittos for giving away this art package with the large canvas print and the Dive R fins. So comment below and we will answer your questions live at the boat show. Come and join us there, and if you can't make it, then follow us on the live stream. Good luck, safe diving, and we will hopefully see you in the next video.
You can ask all your freediving related questions in the comment that Vanessa will show you in a second. You basically dive like
And you want to take photos and videos while freediving? Then this video has 2 things for you.
And a huge shout out to making too many films. I forgot what the prize, the first prize. Y40, yeah. Okay.